said something about you picking up your church card.
Okay. Okay, after. After. Hello. Good morning if this is your morning. Good afternoon if this is your afternoon. Good evening if this is your evening. Ụtụtụ ọma. Then I say ehihie ọma if you are in afternoon. Mgbede ọma if this is your evening, or abalị ọma if this is your night. This is the Igbo Tutor live. This is the time we agree to meet every Saturday when we learn Igbo language on the go. So wherever you are, you're interested in learning Igbo language with us, you need to join up now. This is the time agreed. This is the time we need to meet. So if you're a member of the channel and you're seeing me right now, you've got a notification I'm live, you need to join up now and let's do this together. I am the Igbo Tutor, Onye Nkuzi Igbo. And if you are not a member of the channel, but you're interested in learning Igbo language with us, why not join up, join our channel membership, and let's do this together. It's always time to learn Igbo language, a moment that is always memorable. You know, Igbo Amaka, Igbo Deutor. Igbo language is wonderful, it's sweet, it's great. So if you're a member of the channel and you are supposed to be in this class right now, why not come to class and let's do this together. The Igbo Tutor is live right now. So Kebino, bịa ka ime asụsụ Igbo, bịa ka anyị sụọ Igbo, bịa na class ugbu a, ana m eche gị, I'm waiting for you. So members of the channel, waiting for you. This is your class. This is what you paid for. So you do well to join up this class now, and then let's do this together. And we're waiting for you right now. Waiting for you, join up now. The Igbo Tutor is live. Where are you? Yes, I'm waiting for you. Let's do this together. It's time to meet. It's time to get cracking. It's time to learn Igbo. It's time to speak Igbo. It's time to play around Igbo language, get ourselves equipped with this wonderful language. So wherever you are, see me right now. You do well to join up now. And if you are seeing me and you wish to be part of these live classes every Saturday, the best thing to do is to join our channel membership. Go to my homepage and you see join button beside my channel name. Hit the join button and do the needful so you can be part of this class every Saturday by 2 p.m. Right? So do it now. Even if you are seeing this video or this live class, a replay of it that may have been uploaded in my homepage, it doesn't mean that it's right. It's the right thing to do. We just release it for you to be able to benefit from it. But if you want to be with us when we are live, directly speaking with us and interacting with us, you need to join our channel membership. Right? So that is the best thing to do. That's the best way to be part of these live classes. So we're waiting for you to join up channel membership and begin to learn with us. For now, all you need to do is hit the join button, pay the fee, and we'll start learning together. So right now, I'm waiting for channel members to come on board. I'm expecting you to come on board. Channel members, where are you? I'm waiting for you. Where are you? Emehe and Co. Princess, where are you? I am waiting for you guys to come on board right now. This is the time agreed, time accepted, 2 p.m. Nigerian time, waiting for you. Let's do this together. If you are watching a replay of this, please be patient so we can get the members of the channel on board. They are the one who paid for the live class and they need to have the maximum benefit for it. So if you are watching a replay, just be patient. Let's wait for channel members to come on board before the class will start in earnest. Okay? We are waiting. We are waiting. Who is coming to class first today? Who is hitting the class first today? Yes, waiting. Who comes to class first today? Waiting for you. Waiting for you. What are you doing? Where are you? Mr. Ime, where are you right now? Princess Ezenwa, where are you? Let's go cracking. Let's do this together. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Join the class right now. Join the class now. I'm waiting. I am waiting. Join the class. Let's start. The time is not on our side. We need not waste any time. As soon as we have 1 or 2 people, we begin the class. So I'm waiting. Who is coming to class first today? Waiting for you. Join the class now. Where are you, Mr. Mehen, Princess, Mimi B, and Co? Where are you? I'm waiting. Edu and Co, where are you? Still waiting for you. Still waiting. Where are you? C for cat. Bamboo. Where are you? Yes. The Igbo tutor is live. Join me live now. Join me live. I am waiting for you here right now. Yes. We are members of the channel. I am waiting for you. Join me live now. Where is Esther Kafo? Where is Okazoku? Where are all of you? I'm waiting for you. Let's come to class now so we can learn together. Still waiting for you to come on board. Last time we talked about, as a review, while we are waiting for you to come on board, we talked about Achoromipo last time, talking about going to see somebody. We made several sentences and phrases using Achoromipo. You know, I want to go out. Iga home mad to go see somebody, do this, to do that. And it was a nice class last week. So I'm expecting you guys to come on board now so we can do even further today. We are taking up a new conversation topic today. So you do yourself a world of good. Join us and let's do it together. Yes, I'm waiting. Where are you? Where are you? Who is there? Yes, still waiting. Still waiting for you. Still waiting for you. The Igbo tutor is live. Those that paid for the live classes are supposed to know the time and keep to the time. You can pay for something and you're not there to take advantage of that which you paid for. That is unfair to yourself. If you don't come to class to learn and then get value for your money, I hope you will not blame the tutor for that. I am playing my part by coming to class at the agreed time. Your own part is to be available at the same time, and let's have our classes. That is your own duty. I do my own while you do yours, and everything goes on fine. waiting for you to come to class, waiting for you to come to class. What is holding you back? Work? Activities? What is it? Still waiting. Still waiting for you. Yes, what is holding you? Where are you? Channel members, where are you? If I wait for 20 minutes and didn't see you, it's assumed that you're not ready to come to class today. And I won't be blamed for that, but I'll be pained that you are not available to take advantage of the money you paid and get services for that. So that is not, it's not going to be okay for me to get you to pay money and not taking advantage, getting the benefit of paying money. That would not be very okay for me. So what do we do? If I have, by 20 minutes, if I don't see any channel member coming to class, I may have to go public. So I don't waste the whole 1 hour without doing anything, without helping anyone, without rendering service to anybody. Time is precious, and I can't just waste it this way. So if on the 20 minutes mark, and they see any channel member, we have to go public without a channel member coming on. If you have joined this class as a channel member, please indicate you are in the class. Drop your greetings in the chat. Let's know you are in the class as a channel member so we can begin the class. Please do that now. I will appreciate that so much. And I want to plead with channel members to please keep to our time. Let's keep to time. Time is money. We have to be business-like. Try to reschedule your program, give space for this 1 hour to get services for your money. Money is not easy to come by, so we cannot just throw it there and then we are not available to take advantage of it. So if you are in the class, you're a channel member, do well to drop your greetings in the chat. Let's speak your name and return greetings to you and be sure you are here for class. And then we begin. Once you are in the class, greet us in the chat, drop ndewo, no, dalo. Say something, whether in Igbo or in English, so we can know you are in the class. That is the only way to signify your presence. So do that now if you are in the class. Anyone in the class? Waiting for your response? If you are in the class, indicate in the chat that I am here. Anomeba. Greet. Drop something. Okay, Esther Kafo. You're welcome. You are the only one that is coming to that I've seen in the class today. Others are busy. I don't know what they are doing. Esther Kedu. So me and you are going to have class today. Okay. All right. I've just said Esther Kedu. So you reply me and let's begin the class. Now me and you get class today. Okay. Reply me to confirm that you are hearing me very well. Waiting for your response, Esther. I say Kedu. So what will be your response? Type in the chat your response, Kedu, if you are hearing me. Waiting for your response, Esther. Type your response. I said Kedu. Reply to me. Esther, can you hear me? Can you hear me clearly? Okay, Odimma. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. Odimma. But it should be written this way. Odi. Of course, D is DI with dot under, not ordinary DI. My keyboard is not showing, it's not giving me dot under. But this is how to write it. Odimma. Okay? Okay, this is how to write it. Odimma. Okay? But can you confirm that you can hear me very clearly? Can you hear me very clearly, Esther? Can you hear me very well? Answer me, let me be sure you are hearing me before we start. Can you hear me very well? Confirm that you can hear me loud and clear so that we can start. Now me and you day class now, we'll go start. Can you confirm that? Confirm you can hear me very clearly. Yes. Hey, it's not hey, but A, just double E. That's all. Not hey, it's not H. It's just A. All right, let's start. Yes, the rule is that I'm going to make a sentence in Igbo. You will try to write what I have said in English to show that you understood what I said in Igbo. Okay, that is the rule now. Okay, I will make a sentence in Igbo. You will write what I say, translate it into English. I will say it with my voice. I'm not going to type. So you listen to me, I say it. Okay, you will write what I've said in Igbo, in English, to show that you understood the meaning of what I said in Igbo. Let's start. Number one sentence. Achorom oroma. Achorom oroma. Write what I've just said now in English. Achorom oroma. Okay, go ahead. Write it. Achorom oroma. Write what I've said in English, translate it to English, and write it in the chat. Achorom oroma. Let's go. Achorom oroma. Go ahead and write that. Yes, waiting for you to write that in English. Achorom oroma. Write it in English. Whoa, You got it correct. You are correct. Okay. I want orange. Okay. We'll go to second sentence. Okay, but let me write the Igbo sentence the way I said it, so that if you are right, you are supposed to have an exercise book to write what we are saying. Okay, next time, make sure you have a exercise book so that you can write what you are saying, the Igbo sentence and the English meaning. Okay, this is exactly what I said. Achoro moroma, which means I want orange. Second sentence. Okay, are we ready? N'ihi na ọ na-edozi ahụ. N'ihi na ọ na-edozi ahụ. N'ihi na ọ na-edozi ahụ. What did I say? N'ihi na ọ na-edozi ahụ. I'm now saying the reason why I like orange. Okay? Don't write the Igbo. I have already written the Igbo sentence for you. You just copy it in your own notes. You don't need to repeat it again. Okay? The only one you should write is the English. If I want you to write Igbo, I will tell you. But I've written the Igbo sentence by myself. Okay? You just copy my own to your notes. Okay? So I'm now explaining why I want orange. I now say, n'ihi na ọ na-edozi ahụ. What does that mean? N'ihi na ọ na-edozi ahụ. What did I say? What did I say? N'ihi na ọ na-edozi ahụ. I'm saying why I want orange. N'ihi na ọ na-edozi ahụ. Try what I've said to write it in English. Try it now. Yes, try it. Waiting for you. N'ihi na ọ na-edozi ahụ. If you don't know what I said, you just say amaim. Okay? You just say amaim ya. Okay? Because it's good for my body. Woo! Good effort. Great work. Great work. You really tried. Okay, let me write the Igbo version first. N'ihi na ọ na-edozi ahụ. Wow, you really try. N'ihi na ọ na-edozi ahụ. So you can update your notebook on that. But you wrote because it's good for my body. You really tried. Okay. Okay. Ọ na-edozi ahụ. But what it should actually be is because you got it right from that side. Because it makes the body fine. Okay, it makes the body fine. But he said because it's good for my body, which is also correct. You're almost there. You're almost correct. Almost perfectly done. Great. I like that. Okay. Next sentence. Onye ga-enye m oroma. Onye ga-enye m oroma. Write what I've just said now in English. Onye ga-enye m oroma. Let's go. Onye ga-enye m oroma. Write that in English. Onye ga-enye m oroma. Yes, let's go there. Onye ga-enye m oroma. Write it. I hope the children are also there with you, learning with you. Onye ga-enye m oroma. Waiting for you. If you don't know, you write amaim. Okay, you wrote, who will give me orange? Whee! This is great. I like that. Wow. I'm going to give you something. Oh, this is great, great, great. Onye ga-enye m oroma. Oh my God. Yes, 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 yes. You deserve a good. Onye ga-enye m oroma. You tried. Honestly, you tried. Honestly, you tried. Onye ga-enye m oroma. Okay, I give you a wave of hand. And what else should I give you? What else should I give you? Oh, go. Okay. I think you deserve a thumbs up, a thumbs up, a thumbs up. Yes, a thumbs up. Yeah, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Good. Who will give me orange? Onye ga-enye m oroma. Let me write what I've said in Igbo first, but you got it very correctly. Onye ga-enye m oroma. You got it perfectly right. Who will give me orange? Onye ga-enye m oroma. In case you are writing, update your record with that. Okay. Let's continue with the next sentence. Okay. Ka m kpọọ enyi m. Ka m kpọọ enyi m ka o nyere m aka. Ka m kpọọ enyi m ka o nyere m aka. Let's go. Ka m kpọọ enyi m ka o nyere m aka. Let's go there. What did I say? Ka m kpọọ enyi m ka o nyere. Ka m kpọọ enyi m ka o nyere m aka. Yes. What did I say? Write it in English. Ka m kpọọ enyi m ka o nyere m aka. Let's go. Write what I've just said now. Ka m kpọọ enyi m ka o nyere m aka. Yes. Anyone you don't know, you write amaim. Amaim mia. That is, I don't know it. Amaim. So that we move on. Okay. Amaim mia is I don't know it. Let me call my friend to help me. Ooh. This is great. Esther, you are on top of the game. Oh. You are on top of the game. Let me call my friend to help me. Wow, that's great. How many people are learning with you there? Are the children there? Confirm if the children are also learning with you. Let me call my friend to help me. Ka m kpọọ enyi m ka o nyere m aka. That is excellent. Nothing to add, nothing to remove. Let me write what I said in Igbo. For those who are going to write or listen to this after, they can also update their records. Ka m kpọọ. Okay, that's good. That's good. Children are there. Ka m kpọọ enyi m. Enyi m ka o nyere m aka. Ka m kpọọ enyi m ka o nyere m aka. Let me call my friend to help me. Excellent, excellent. Let's go to the next sentence, which is eleghị anya ọ ga-abịa ebe a. 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 This might look a little bit difficult. Eleghị anya, ọ ga-abịa ebe a. Eleghị anya, ọ ga-abịa ebe a. I hope the video is still playing from your own side. I hope the video is not freeze. Confirm that you are still hearing me and the video is still showing my video is very well. You are still hearing me and the video is still playing right. Confirm that, please. Eleghị anya, ọ ga-abịa ebe a. Yes. Eleghị anya, ọ ga-abịa ebe a. Good. Try to see if you can interpret what I've just said now. Eleghị anya, ọ ga-abịa ebe a. Eleghị anya, ọ ga-abịa ebe a. You got an idea for that? Let's do it. Eleghị anya, ọ ga-abịa ebe a. Any idea for that? Eleghị anya, ọ ga-abịa ebe a. Any idea? Any idea? You will soon see her here. Okay, good effort. You tried. Let me write what I've said in Igbo first before I interpret it. But I know this one will be difficult for you. I really know it will be difficult. Eleghị anya, ọ ga-abịa ebe a. Okay. You said you will soon see him here or see her here. But I said eleghị anya, ọ ga-abịa ebe a. Okay. This means it can mean maybe he or she, ga-abịa is will come. Will come here. Ebe a is here. Okay. You got here, right? Maybe he will come here. It also means peradventure, okay, in case, peradventure, he will come. Okay. Okay, it could mean maybe he will come here. It could mean peradventure he will come here. It could also mean possibly. Possibly he or she, ga-abịa is will come here. All right. So I've given you so many options for that. Is that clear, Esther? Is that clear? Did you get that right? Eleghị anya. You know what eleghị anya means now? Maybe, peradventure, possibly. You get that right? Confirm that, please. That is clear. Ọ ga-abịa is he will come. Okay? He or she will come. Ga-abịa is will come, future. Excuse me. Okay, I got n'ihu. Okay. Enyi m nwoke or enyi m nwanyị, okay, or just enyi m bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Enyi m bụ ezigbo mmadụ. That's the next sentence. So, enyi m bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Let's go. Enyi m bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Yes, let's go there. Enyi m bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Let's do that. Enyi m bụ ezigbo mmadụ. What did I say? Enyi m bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Enyi m bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Wow, that's great. You got it. Excellent. Great, great, great. Wow. Enyi m, let me write the Igbo version first because you got the English version very correctly. Okay. Enyi m bụ, enyi m bụ ezigbo mmadụ. And you got it correctly. My friend is a good person. Wow. That's excellent. Next sentence. Ama m na ọ ga-enyere m aka. Ama m or amara m na, but it's better to say ama m na ọ ga-enyere m aka. Ama m na ọ ga-enyere m aka. Ama m na ọ ga-enyere m aka. Let's go. Ama m na ọ ga-enyere m aka. Let's write what I've said. Write it there in English. Translate it. Ama m na ọ ga-enyere m aka. Ama m na ọ ga-enyere m aka. Let's go there. Ama m na ọ ga-enyere m aka. Let's go there. Ama m na ọ ga-enyere m aka. Yes. I know he's going to help me. Woo! I know he will help me. Okay, but that's a good effort. Good trial. I know he's going to help me. That's also perfect. But let me write the Igbo version. Amam. Okay. Amam. Okay. Amam na ọ ga-enyere m. I hope you are writing up your notebook. Amam na ọ ga-enyere m aka. Okay. What you wrote is also correct. I know he or she or he is going to help me. Yes, that's perfect. I know he's going to help me. You can also say, I know he will help me. That's another way of saying it. I know he or she will, okay, genyere m aka is also he is going to help me or he will help me. I know he or she will help me. So either way, you are correct, okay? I know he will help me, or I know he's going to help me. You are also correct. Okay. Next sentence, you are doing excellently well, Esther. Wow, surprisingly. Next sentence, anụrụ m na ọ ga-abịa ebe a echi. 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 What did I say? Anụrụ m na ọ ga-abịa ebe a echi. Let's go. Anụrụ m na ọ ga-abịa ebe a echi. Yes, let's go. Let's go there. Let's go there. Anụrụ m na ọ ga-abịa ebe a echi. Waiting for you. Drop your answer. Anụrụ m na ọ ga-abịa ebe a echi. Anụrụ m na ọ ga-abịa ebe a echi. Yes, I know or I am sure he or she will come here tomorrow. Great effort, great effort. You really tried. You really tried, Esther. Okay, anụrụ is different from amaram. Amam is what I said before. That is where we have I know. The one we did before this one. I said amam. That's why you said I know is going to help. That is amam, which is very correct. But what I said now is anorum. Anorum is different from amam. So this is not I know. So what is anorum? Anorum. Anorum. What is that? What does that mean? Right? What that means? It's not I know. What does it mean? I know is amam or amaram. But I said anorum or anorum. It's not the same as amam. Okay? So it's not I'm sure. Okay? It is, but let me write the Igbo version first. Anorum na ọ ga-abịa ebe a echi. But I must commend your effort. You tried, you got virtually other things. Is I had. Correct. That is it. You're there. So it's I had. He or she will come here tomorrow. Excellent. Bravo. Idike. So it's I had. Anorum. I had he or she will come here tomorrow. So that's correct. You got it right. I had she will come here tomorrow. Tomorrow. I heard she will come here tomorrow. That is it. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Next sentence. Next sentence. Aga m enye ya ego ma ọ bịa. Aga m enye ya ego ma ọ bịa. Aga m enye ya ego ma ọ bịa. Let's go. Aga m enye ya ego ma ọ bịa. Yes. Aga m enye ya ego ma ọ bịa. Aga m enye ya ego ma ọ bịa. Aga m enye ya ego ma ọ bịa. Yes, let's write that in English. Aga m enye ya ego ma ọ bịa. Aga m enye ya ego ma ọ bịa. Yes. Let's go. Woo! Even put bag of money. I will give you money when I come. Okay, you tried, you tried. Aga m enye ya, ya. Okay? Ya is him or her, not you. You is ge, ge. So that's where you make it. Let me write the English first. Okay. Aga m enye ya ego ma ọ bịa. This is what I said. So agam is I will, which is correct. You wrote it well. I will give enye. Okay, the only thing you miss is where you wrote I will give you. You is ge, but ya is him or her, second person pronoun. Okay, so I will give him or her. So in this case, I'll give him or I'll give her money. So where you put you should be him or her. Yeah. Okay. Then the next one is mobia. When he or she comes, not when I come. I say ma obia, not mambia. Mambia is when I come. But ma obia is when he or she comes. You can also use when if he or she comes. It's also ma obia. Okay, so the first meaning is if she comes. Maobia, that is Maobia. I will give her money if she comes. Maobia, okay? That is if Maobia is if he comes. It can also be written that Chinatu's response. Okay, that's Chinatu's response. That's okay. That's okay. So now you now say, I will give her money when she comes. That is also correct. Like you wrote before, when I, not when I. It's going to be when she or he comes. I will give her money when she comes. Ma obia. Okay. When she comes is mgbe obiara. That is when is mgbe obiara. But ma obia is if she or he comes. Or is also when he or she comes. Ma obia. That's all right. But the error there is where you wrote when I come, not I, or him or her. Okay. Good effort, Chinato. Well done. Bravo. Okay. Let's go on. Adema. Next one is ọ ga-aga ahịa taa. Ọ ga-aga ahịa taa. That's the next sentence. Ọ ga-aga ahịa taa. Ọ ga-aga ahịa taa. Ọ ga-aga ahịa taa. What did I say? Ọ ga-aga ahịa taa. Ọ ga-aga ahịa taa. Ọ ga-aga ahịa taa. Yes. Ọ ga-aga ahịa taa. Ọ ga-aga ahịa taa. What is that? Ọ ga-aga ahịa taa. What is that? Dr. Blahi, you're welcome. You're coming when class is almost closing. So late, but better late than never. Okay, no, Mazi Abdullahi, doctor. Okay. Ọ ga-aga ahịa taa. That's the next sentence we're looking at. Ọ ga-aga ahịa taa. What did I say? Write it in English. Ọ ga-aga ahịa taa. He or she will go to the market today. Excellent. Esther wrote, he or she will go to market today. Dr. Blahiot wrote, he will go to the market today. Both of you are correct. Excellent, doctor. Excellent. They will. All right. Dr. Blahi, no. Good effort. Okay, both of you are correct. But let me write the Igbo version of what I've just said. Let me write the Igbo version. Or ga. Here, my I should have dot under it. I have a problem with my keyboard. Ga here, ta. That is what I said. Okay, ga here, ta. Okay. Okay, Dr. Blahi, theater held you back. Oh, sorry. I hope the operation went fine. God will be in your hand always and give you a glorious result every time to his own glory. All right. That's what I said. You go to market today. All right. So, okay. I now move on to the next sentence. Agam ezia ka ọ zụtara m oroma. Agam ezia ka ọ zụtara m oroma. Agam ezia ka ọ zụtara m oroma. If you are in the class and you've not dropped a chat or greetings to us, we cannot be able to mention your name or return greetings to you. So don't be a silent class member. Mark your register. Say, no, hello, hi. Let's just know you are here. Okay, that's the only way to mark your register. No other way. Just to greet us. That's all. Right. So the sentence I was making is, Agam ezia ka ọ zụtara m oroma. Yes, what did I say? Agam ezia ka ọ zụtara m oroma. Yes. Who is attempting this? Who is trying this out? Agam ezia ka ọ zụtara m oroma. Write what I've said in English if you understand the Igbo sentence. Agam ezia ka ọ zụtara m oroma. Oh yeah, let's try that. Try that. If you want to join this live class, you are attempting to join, and you are not yet a member of the channel, you need to first of all join our channel membership by hitting the join button in my homepage beside the channel name. Do the necessary thing you need to do, make payment, then you become a bona fide member of the channel. You gain advantage of participating in our live classes, getting one free ebook every month, having a direct contact with the Igbo tutor, and other benefits. So do that today, and you'll be glad you did. Yes, let's go on. Who is giving all this sentence in English? Agam ezia ka ọ zụtara m oroma. Yes. Who is trying that out? Agam ezia ka ọ zụtara m oroma. Yes, Dr. Blahi is in. I will tell him to buy me oranges. Great effort. Good effort. Okay. You first wrote, I will tell him to buy me oranges. And then second attempt, I will tell him to buy me oranges. Okay, you only sent it 2 times. Maybe the first one was delayed. Good effort, Dr. Blahi. What about Esther? What are you doing? What do you say to this? Agam ezia ka ọ zụtara m oroma. Yes, waiting for Esther and Co. to give us their response. Agam ezi ya ka ọ zụtara m oroma. Yes, what did Esther say to this? Waiting for you. What did Esther say to this? Aga m ezi ya ka ọ zụtara m oroma. Yes, 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 waiting for you. Esther, no response. If you don't know, you write a mime so we can go on and give the answer or mark the script. Is Esther still there? Is Esther still there? Waiting for you. Waiting for you. Waiting for your response, Esther. Maybe network is holding you back. Yes. Aga m ezi ya ka ọ zụtara m oroma. Okay, Esther is in. I will tell him to buy oranges for me. Okay, good effort. But let me write the English version of what I say. Igbo version. Let me write it first. Ezi ya ka ọ zụtara m. Because of those who are writing. Oroma. Aga m ezi ya ka ọ zụtara m oroma. Okay, this means all of you tried. I will not tell him. I will send him. Ezi ya. Okay. I will tell him is aga m agwa ya. That is, I will tell him. But aga m ezi ya is I will send him to buy oranges for me. I will send him to buy oranges for me. So, easy mado is to send somebody. So, aga m ezi ya is I will send him or her. But I will tell him is aga m agwa ya. Aga m agwa ya. That is, I will tell him. But aga m ezi ya is I will send him. Ziem or ziem ozi is send me message. Zie ya ozi, send him or her message. Is that clear? Confirm if you understand what I said or what I explained. Okay? Okay? Let's confirm you got what I explained, and let's go to the next sentence. Mgbe ọ lọtara. That's, I'm giving you next sentence now. Mgbe ọ lọtara, aga m agwa unu. Mgbe ọ lọtara, aga m agwa unu. Let's go. Mgbe ọ lọtara, aga m agwa unu. Let's go. Mgbe ọ lọtara, aga m agwa unu. Yes. Mgbe ọ lọtara, aga m agwa unu. Okay, Esther, well done. Mgbe ọ lọtara, aga m agwa unu. What does that mean? Mgbe ọ lọtara, aga m agwa unu. Let's go. Mgbe ọ lọtara, aga m agwa unu. What did I say? Write it in English. Mgbe ọ lọtara, aga m agwa unu. Mgbe ọ lọtara, aga m agwa unu. Yes. Who is trying to do that first? Mgbe ọ lọtara, aga m agwa unu. Yes, who is trying first? Who is hitting the chart first? Mgbe ọ lọtara, aga m agwa unu. Esther is in. Mgbe ọ lọtara, aga m agwa unu. Mgbe ọ lọtara, aga m agwa unu. Dr. Blahi, I'm waiting for your response. Esther has sent her response in. Translate what I'm saying now. Mgbe ọ lọtara, aga m agwa unu. Waiting for Dr. Ablahi. Dr. Ablahi to send in his response before I mark. Mgbe ọ lọtara, aga m agwa unu. Yes, doctor. Hope network is not delaying you. Mgbe ọ lọtara, aga m agwa unu. Yes. Waiting. Dr. Blahi, yet to file in your response. Network is holding you back. I want to start marking. Let me write in Igbo sentence I said. Mgbe ọ lọtara, aga m agwa unu. Dr. Blind said he doesn't know it. Am I Mia? Okay. Esther tried very, very well, very, very much. The answer is when or is still him or her, okay? So it's still pronoun for him or her, okay? Especially when it is a subject, okay? So when he or she comes back, that's why I say Esther tried. Esther said, when you come back, it's not you, okay? I've told you before that you is ge or I, but him, her, okay, is okay, it's also ya. Ya also stand for him or her, depending on where it falls in the sentence. Nye ya, second person or third person pronoun, okay. 2 words there, okay. So when she comes back, that is mbo lotara. The second part of it is aga m agwa unu. I will tell you people. Unu is you people, plural for the third person, pronoun for many people. When she comes back, I will tell you people. Unu, that is you people, not them. Esther wrote them. It's not them. Okay? Them is her. Agamagwa her is them. I will tell them. But unu is you people. Plural for you people. Okay, that is plural for third person. Pronoun plural, unu. Okay? When he or she comes back, I will tell you people, Adema. That's great. Finally, for today, anyị ga-ahụ izu ụka ọzọ. That is the last sentence for today. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. What did I say? Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Write what I've just said now in English. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Write that in English. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Yes? Let's try that now. Who is shooting first? Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. I believe Dr. Abdullahi understand my response to this last sentence and my explanations. I believe it's clear. I've made a new sentence now, which might be the last for today, and that is anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. What did I say? Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Let's go there. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Who is shooting first? Shoot in the chat. Write it. Correct or not correct. Just write something there. The way you understand it, what it sounds like, what it looks like. Just write. We'll now make corrections if it's not correct. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Ngwanụ. Dee ya ọsịsọ. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Yes. Have you written? Who is writing first? Dr. Abdullahi, Esther. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Yes. Yes. Who is dropping the answer first? Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. No response first. If you don't know, you write amaim ya. If both of you don't know, write amaim ya so we can supply the answer as we round up today. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Yes. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. No response yet. Anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Yes. Is it network that is holding you guys down? Or what? Is it that you know or you don't know? If you don't know, you say, I don't know. Am I here? If you know, you supply us the answer. Okay, Esther has sent it. Okay. What I said is, anyị ga-ahụ izuụka ọzọ. Esther has dropped her answer. What of Dr. Abdullahi? Doctor, confirm. If you know, you type your answer. If you don't know, we go back to supply the answer. Hit the like button for today's live class. Hit the like button beside my channel name so that if you have gained something today, let me write the Igbo version of what I said. Ani, my Ani should have dot under the I. Okay. Ga-ahụ izu ụka ọzọ. This is what I said. Anyị ga-ahụ izu ụka ọzọ. This means anyị is we. We will. Ga-ahụ is will. Anything that starts with ga and dash is will. We will see. Izu ụka is week. So izu ụka ọzọ is next week. That is izu ụka ọzọ. We will see next week. Anyị ga-ahụ izu ụka ọzọ. We will see next week. Ka emesịa. Ka emesịa. Okay. Ka emesịa. Drop your emoji, drop your greetings. If you know you have learned today, greet your teacher. If you know you have learned something today, give us a thumbs up and hit the like button. And then we'll see you next week, Saturday. Same time, 2 p.m. See you then. Bye. Okay.